it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. Oh, we're back. I want to do another DIY. The wedding is coming up really soon. I think it's about 6 weeks from now. It is crunch time, guys. I've been seeing a lot of these welcome signs on like mirrors and these like see-through glasses, and they look super cute. So I want to make my own because
no money for this, honey.
No. If you guys got money, send it over. No, just kidding. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I bought this frame from Michael's and it's on sale right now for about like $6.50. If I remember, I will put the link down below. I believe it's 70% off in stores. Michael's always has deals. Check it out. So yeah, I bought this and I was thinking of putting something on here and put it right in front of the entrance. We'll figure it out. I bought this mirror at Ross for $12.99. Can you believe it? $12.99 for this mirror. And then I bought this frame. Woo! From Michael's as well, and this one was I think about 3 for like $35, so it wasn't that bad. And they're 16 by 20, as you can see. I'm gonna start off with the easiest. I wouldn't say it's like the most DIY thing that I did. Let me tell you, Walgreens is the place to go. So you know how they have like really cute photos during like weddings with the white big canvases? Well, to save yourself money, I would just print out posters. Buy yourself some frames and just put photos in frames because it's a lot cheaper. That's what I did. I bought a few photos, a few posters, and then I just put it in a frame. I wouldn't say it's like the most DIY. I went on to Walgreens and then I hit poster 16 by 20. And then I went to designs and I designed my own photo collage looking thing. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. I think it's adorable. Kind of still DIY because I put like flowers on the poster. I got the poster, made it today, and I picked it up the same day as well. And Walgreens is having a sale. This came out to be about like $15. Not bad. Not bad, right? Just gonna toss on the floor for now. You didn't see that? Right, so we're gonna use a scissor to open these latches up. I don't know why these latches are so they're so hard to open up. Put in our posters, and then boom! Oh, that's so cute! Yeah. Do you like it? I think it's really pretty. So I think this is gonna be the biggest one. Should go next. Okay, look at that lighting. Hello. All this. I'm gonna deal with that later. Oh my god, look at this lighting. I look like a ghost. Now that we got the mirror all cleaned up and everything, I bought this thing called graphite paper. It's supposed to like help you like transfer what you want onto the mirrors. Yeah, we're gonna try to figure this out. Okay, let's roll up them sleeves. So I printed out some images that I want to put onto the mirror. I'm gonna cut them out and see if it works. Because if it doesn't, I don't know if you can erase it. It's just acrylic paint. Is this gonna fit? I think the fonts are way too big. I'm cutting it close. I did a pretty dang good job like guesstimating how big this thing is gonna be. Rest. Okay, so this needs to be taped together. Okay, let's try this. So I wanted to do a quick update. We're still working on the sign. Let me tell you, it is quite tedious. I don't know how I feel about it. You know, let's just show you. It's there, it's cute from far away. Up close, I don't know, maybe it's the perfectionist side of me coming through, but it's not the nicest. There's people out there that are probably a lot better than I am, so maybe you guys can make it super nice. Graphite paper transferred onto the mirror, which is great. That's what I needed because I don't have the nicest handwriting. Props to the people that can do calligraphy. It mixed with the paint, messed up with the paint a little bit, and it's kind of like gray instead of white now. It looks nice from far away, not so much when you're up close to it. And it's heavy. Let's continue. Honestly, this is why people test out their DIYs before they start filming. Not me. Alright guys, so you guys saw enough of how I'm doing this, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and we'll be right back. And we're finally done. It didn't take like 2 hours or anything to finish this up, but boom! Again, it looks nice from far away, but it needs some touch up. I want to add some flowers to the sign, so we're gonna go ahead and add flowers to it. Okay, I have some of my florals left from the centerpieces, so I plan to use those. We also have these vines. We're gonna figure it out. Like right here. Right here on the corners only. I wish that you guys were here so you guys can just help me with your guys' opinion. What should we do? Commit. We're just gonna wait for the hot glue gun to like heat up. It's hot. It's hot. So now that gluing situation for these dang vines is settled, we're gonna go ahead and put on flowers now. I got these flowers, if you guys remember them, they're from the centerpieces. If you guys haven't watched my centerpiece video, go watch it. It's one of my earlier videos when I first started this channel. It's a little different. I'm a little bit more shy. It's fine, go watch it. It's still a good video, so check it out. Glue some of these flowers on. See how I don't have a game plan, guys? You guys just love it. Going with the flow. I actually think game plan is a lot better. You're gonna save so much time if you plan things out. It's a smart idea. I'm just not there. I hope I don't regret them where I placed them. Is finally done. I put all the flowers and the vine things on it, so it's looking real cute. I'm gonna clean up the mirror a little bit. What do y'all think? It's pretty dang cute. Yeah, with the flowers and everything. Oh my god, look at that. It didn't take me like 3 hours or anything to make this dang sign. It was worth it because personalized for the wedding, so I'm excited. The sign is going to be so freaking nice right in front of the entrance. It was only $12.99 from Ross. Check out your nearest Ross. Don't go to Target or anything because it's quite expensive at Target. the last clip that you watched, it was like 5 in the morning and I was just like, nope, I'm done. I'm gonna go get some rest. Late, but early in the morning, we're back. It's different, I know. I was just like, should I just change the same outfit that I wore yesterday and make it seem like it was like the same? But nah, you guys are cool. We're cool. It's fine. Now we're gonna start on another DIY. Well, I printed out some more words that I made on Word doc and then like this image thing because I want to put like a little nice detail onto it. We're gonna do the same thing as we did on the big mirror, but I think this one's gonna be a little bit easier because it's see-through and it's just glass. Get this open. I'm gonna put it upside down so we can trace it. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. We're just taping it down so it stays on this thing. What do y'all think? Okay, I think it looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead and trace it on. We're gonna remove this. Looks pretty cute to me. Gotta clean it up a little bit. There's like smudges everywhere of like my hands, but looking nice. You guys see it? I wanted to trace like a flower or something. Look! So I just need to clean it up and put it together, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I guess we are now done. Take a look at it. Boom, I think it's so pretty. But I think this is really cute. After the wedding, we can definitely put this around our house as well. I don't know if picking it up on the camera or not, but I love it so much. Alright guys, so that's all for my video today. I really hope that you guys liked the decors. They're really special. Again, it's really, really personalized to my wedding and Jimmy's wedding. So you guys should definitely do it too. And if you guys do, show me, like DM me. I want to see pictures. So I will see you guys next time. Make sure to thumbs up the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified whenever I go live or if my video comes out. You guys want to get notified, right? Yeah, I know you guys do. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. If there's any videos that you guys would like to see from me, make sure you comment down below. I will try to remember to put all the items that I bought down below in the description box. Check that out. Guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Boom!